Since about early to mid-February, I've had a Gen 4 Glock 27 on order, and it's June 21st now. So I went down to Outdoor America, where I had the gun ordered, and looked around and found something different. And it's not a sandwich. A Glock. A Glock 27 Gen 3. Thin flat dark earth. It was about $60 cheaper. So with the extra money, I bought a plug for it and a Butler Creek Ruger 10/22 magazine with the steel lips. That was $20. And after getting the plug and the mag, I had like $9 come back to me. I like that it's the flat dark earth. I was actually wanting a Gen 4 in flat dark earth, but here's the 22 and the 27, both in flat dark earth. This is the Gen 4 and Gen 3. We went to Louisiana last week on vacation, and I concealed the 22, and it was a big pain in the ass. Yeah. So what I plan on doing with this thing is doing a 25-cent trigger job on it, and I'll probably go ahead and put the 3.5-pound Ghost Ultimate connector and the NY1 spring. See if I like that. If not, I might just run stock.